Although density and range are usually described in relative terms, the description of texture type is much more precise. A number of texture types occur from time to time, but the most common are monophonic, polyphonic, homophonic, and homorhythmic. Monophonic texture is the simplest texture type in music, consisting of single melodic line. We can listen together to one of the Gregorian monophonic music.
Ave Maria, gratia plena, Dominus tecum, benedicta tu in mulieribus, et benedictus fructus ventris tui, Iesus. Sancta Maria, Mater Dei.
Monophonic texture can be expanded by doubling in octave or at other intervals. Octave doubling occur in Washington Post March by Sousa that we are going to listen together now. Octave doubling and doubling at other intervals, also called parallelism, that we can, for example, listen to Sarabande for the piano by Debussy, which the melody is doubled in fourth or sixth or octave.